How to install Facebook in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. The App Store offers a vast library of applications for various purposes, from productivity and entertainment to games and utilities. Once you're inside, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the Search tab. In the search bar at the top, type in Facebook and initiate the search. From the search results list, locate and tap on the app. You will see an update button right next to the app's icon if a new version is available. Simply tap on the update button to begin downloading the latest version. The icon will turn into a progress circle to show the download status. Following these steps, you can easily install Facebook on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.